So I'm going to show you how to generate thousands of personalized messages to your leads or clients or customers or whatever with just using Google Sheets for next to nothing. So obviously you're going to need Google Sheets and your customer data, right? So this is just leads that I'm going to reach out to because I built a chatbot for, and I just want to kind of just offer it to them, right? So first things first, you're going to need your lead data input into Google Sheets. Then you're going to select the column where you want the messages to go. You just hit equals. Then you're going to have these two options pop up. You're going to select generate formula with Gemini. Okay, and then this is gonna pop up, this little sidebar here, and then see the prompt at the bottom is already started. So you can just do whatever this is just gonna be natural language, right? You just type in whatever you want, and then it's going to produce the message that you want. I have one pre-done just for the sake of this illustration or this demo here. So create a formula that generates a personalized message. My team and I found business name on KSL, decided to make a chatbot for you to help lower costs, whatever, free up time, etc. Right? So we're gonna insert that, and then there you go. So I have 1,100 leads here. Let's see what I have. Almost 1,100. Yeah, a little over 1,100 leads, and it's all personalized message that I can now input into my CRM and just send a blast out. So that was a quick, hopefully under 30 seconds. I know this video is a little bit longer because I had to explain a little bit more, but the whole process takes about 30 seconds and no time at all. So